Good morning to all. Today I will explain you the chemical properties of its basis. Chemical properties basis. Number one, strong alkalis absorb carbon dioxide from the air to form carbon dioxide, just as when the two molecules of sodium hydroxides are react with the carbon dioxide, they will produce sodium carbonates Na2CO3 plus water. Mean strong alkalis when react with the carbon dioxide, they produce carbonates. On the same way, they neutralize acer to form salt and water. Its simple example is when calcium hydroxide react with the two molecules of HCl, they will produce salt plus water. Two molecules of the water will be there. They precipitate as insoluble metallic hydroxide when added to solutions of the salts of the heavy metal like copper, iron, zinc. I will give you one example. Copper sulfate. When copper sulfate react with ammonia hydroxide, it will give NH4 twice SO4 plus copper hydroxide. When alkalis are warmed with the ammonia salt, they give ammonia gas as ammonia salt NH4 Cl plus NaOH is heated. It will give normal salt plus water and produce ammonia gas. Test for the acidity and the alkalinity. The acidic, basic or the neutral solutions can be tested by common indicator like litmus, methylene and the so on. More accurately, they can be identified on the basis of ionizations. Water ionized to a very small extent. The concentration of hydronium and the hydroxyl ion in pure water is found to be only 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 mole per liter. Now I will explain you important scale, pH scale. pH mean power of hydrogen. Power of hydrogen. It is the main indicator to find the acidity and the basicity of the solutions. This scale is like in this way. This. If it is the solution is at 0.7, it means the solution is neutral. If it goes to the left side of the 7, it means the acidic nature will be increased. If it goes to the right side, it means alkaline natures of the solution will increase. The pH scale is very important in our daily life. Our body works within a narrow pH range of 7 to 7.8. Every crop grows better in particular pH range. For example, rice grows better in the slightly acidic soil, sugar cane in a neutral and citrus fruit in an alkaline soils. Number 3, if the pH scale is less than 5.6 of the rainwater, it is said to be acid. In this water contains acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid and the carbonic acids. So many diseases are diagnosed on the basis of the pH value of the blood and the urine. There are so many other juices are in our daily life which you can study with the help of your books. Now there is the one exercise 3A is there. You have to solve all the questions of the exercise 3A. So in next week I will give you one test regarding the chemistry. So you have to give me the answer and send to me in the WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 98140 33319. Thank you.